What would you advise to a fresher who's just starting off so that they're not overwhelmed by everything that they see?
So, first of all, I would like to tell all the freshers because lots of freshers do interact with me on my LinkedIn. So, I like to tell you that uh, all of most of you want to directly go into product based company, which is fine. Like you should go. Like it's not a bad thing. But then you need to understand that you need to know DSA. Okay, most of the people are not working on DSA and they are directly wanting to go to product based company. So I'm telling you, it's okay to start your journey, start your professional journey with a service based company. Also, it is also fine. Okay, that's one advice I would like to give you. Like it might be some like not a popular advice, but like this is an advice that I would like to give you that. You should definitely if you are not good in DSA, like if you are good in DSA, go for product based company. But if you are not in good in DSA, then start with a service based company, and then in 1 year or 2 year gain experience. Okay, get practical experience, and then move on to a product based company. Also, meanwhile learning DSA because DSA is required for a product based company at least for now. So that is one day advice. And second thing is practice a lot of things. So don't just learn. Like I told what all to learn. I already mentioned that HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. But what mostly people do, they are stuck in tutorial hell. They just watch tutorial, they follow, they make the code, and then they are like, okay, I made something. Which is fine, which is totally fine for learning, for starting your learning. It's the basic part. Make your own thing. Okay, make your own thing. Try to make your app scalable, and don't go for like doing 10 projects. Even if you do 1 2 or 3 projects, make them very good, like have actual users use them. Okay, and that is important because if you just make 10 projects and no one is using them, then it's not a scalable thing. Okay, so try to make small projects, small as in terms of numbers, but in terms of scale it should take care of like at least you should have 100 users using them. Okay, ask your friends to use it. And currently it's almost everything is free. You don't have to pay anything. You can deploy it in Netlify, you can deploy it in Vercel, you can deploy your apps anywhere, and for free you can ask people to just visit your website and try to use it, and then you will know that okay, my website is scalable. Okay, that 100 users were using it and still it did not crash. Okay, so that's kind of thing that you should the fresher should look for. Okay, not just the what do you say copying the tutorial and just posting in their GitHub. That's not one thing. Just try to make something of your own. And one more thing is that again, this is very common that people ask me in LinkedIn that this is my resume and I am a fresher and I'm not getting calls. So first of all, it will be very difficult for you for freshers. Okay, at least especially from the one who are not from the tier 1 companies, it will be very difficult for you to get calls. But how do you make yourself stand out? Two things I would suggest: make a portfolio website. In that portfolio website, have all the projects. Okay, a small demo of your projects, video demo of a GIF demo, and underneath the project you should have a live link. So if they click that link, they'll be redirected to the actual project. And one more link should be the GitHub link. Okay, so and not just one project, have like 2 3 or 4 projects. That's fine. Okay, so that's what in your portfolio you should have. Like also other details you should have, like which technology you are working and what else you do. Second thing that I would like to advise is write technical articles. Okay, that is very very important. Able to verbally communicate your technical understanding to the interviewer and also to the anyone else is very very important. Lots of people understand stuff but they are not able to communicate it to others, okay, in English. And English is the language you have to use, right? There is no option. Like you might be able to say it in Hindi, but because you have to use it in English and because it's professional language, so you can't avoid it. So writing technical articles will help you do that. Okay, so these are the two ideas that I like to do. You that make a portfolio, apply your learnings, do things on your own, and second, write technical articles. You can write it on LinkedIn. You can write lots of free blogs or services are there. You can see my blog. You can just get a gist of how to write about blogs, and that's how you should do. Yeah, that's my advice to all the freshers.